how to sign in to your Agoda Extranet account. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you sign in or log in to your Agoda Extranet account. So let's get started. On this process, at first you will have to open any browser on your system. Alright, so after you open the browser, in the search field you'll have to type for agoda.com. Alright, so after you search it, you'll be able to find the official site of Agoda from here. So from the top left corner, after you tap on the sign in option, you'll be able to sign into your regular Agoda account. So to sign into your Extranet Agoda account, you'll have to scroll down from here, and after you scroll down on the section partner with us, you'll have to click on the option YCS partner portal. Alright, so from this interface you'll have to just sign in with your email and password, and after you enter the email and provide your password here, you'll have to just click on the option sign in, and from there you can easily access or log into your Extranet Agoda account. So this is the process. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.